this is 1, then that mechanism will have a constrained motions. We have discussed the Graveler's criterions for degree of freedom. We have found out equations. F is equal to 3 into n minus 1 minus 2p1 minus p2. This is the Graveler's criterion. If there is no, what is the n? N is the number of links. P1 is the number of pairs having 1 degree of freedom, and P2 is the pairs having 2 degree of freedom. Okay. Now, if there is no P2 means no higher pair. No higher pair. Higher pair means higher pair. That means higher pair, or you can say that is a pair having 2 degree of freedom. 2 degree of freedom. 2 degree of freedom. Then, what is the example? Exactly. We can understand. I will come. I will show you one diagram, and then how you will find out. Suppose, let me answer these questions. So, let me answer these questions. So, this is here. How many links are there? This is the ground. Ground is link number 1. So, this is the link number 2. This is the link number 3. Link number 4. Now, you see. So, 1 and 2. So, they are making pair at A. 2 and 3. They are making pair at B. 3 and 4 making pair at C. And 4 and 1 making a pair at D. But what is this pair? A pair is a turning pair, B pair turning pair, C pair turning pair, D all are turning pair. That means P1. All are P1. Here all are P1. So how many P1 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the turning pair, or 4 is the pairs having degree of freedom 1. Because all are turning pairs. So now suppose I am giving another example. How many? So this is the thing. So this is one part. This is one link, totally one link, and this is another link. Can you say how many links are there here? How many links are there? So ground is link number 1. Ground is link number 1. So this is link number 2, and this is the link number 3. Now this is the joint, A joint. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 is there. But 1 and 2 making a pair. What is that pair? A pair, taki pair, turning pair. 3 and 1. So 3 and me are making B joint. What is this pair? Anybody can say? A pair, taki pair, turning pair. Now you see 2 and 3 is making contact here. See, what is this pair? This is a higher pair because there is a just point contact, higher pair. So P2 is there. So how many P2? 1. How many P1? 1 and 2. So by figure I can understand. I can understand how many lower pair is there, how many higher pair is there. Or also there is some methods that I will explain now, how to find out the different types of pairs. So determination of pair, that I am coming today. So now this is clear. Okay. So now if there is no pair, no higher pair, then degree of freedom equation will convert to 3 into n minus 1 minus 2 p1. In the last class also we have discussed that if a motion, if a mechanism is having 1 degree of freedom, তাহলে কি হয়ে যাবে, f will become 1, and finally I came to one relation that p1 is equal to 3n by 2 minus 2. Or also I have told you one important things, that lower pair, so don't forget that lower pair is equal to number of lower pair is equal to number of binary joints. Binary joints already you know. Binary joints you know. What is the binary joints? So this is the binary joints. This is the one link and this is the one link. So 1 and 2, this is the binary joint. A is the binary joints. So number of lower pairs and the number of binary joints is the same. Very important. You will remember that. So that's why I can convert this equation into J is equal to 3 into n minus by 2 by 2. So these are the two equations, and by this process I can find out the pair or number of joints. In last class also you have discussed, if the left hand side and right hand side are same, both are matching, then it is a constrained motion and is a mechanism. But if the left hand side is greater, LHS is equal to right hand side, let me recapitulation, it is a mechanism. If left hand side is greater than right hand side, it is a locked chain. Locked chain means, what is a locked chain? Meaning of locked chain. Locked chain means structure. If any structure, suppose in a pandal, in a marriage ceremony pandal, you are making a pandal. This is also a structure. This is also a mechanism, because this consists of number of links. But it will move? No. This is the structures. This is the structure. Suppose I am showing you. In the last class I have shown you, if there is a 3 links are there, 1, 2, 3. What is the degree of freedom we have found out? 0. You will find out. You put this equation there. You will find the degree of freedom of this is 0. Now I put another link here. 4. I put another link here. Then this is the structure. Then what will happen? Can anybody find out? Degree of freedom of this now? Earlier it was like that. Now I put one link again. Now what is the degree of freedom of this? Very interesting. I put another link, huh? 1 no. Acha, how many links are there? N is how much? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 links. Acha. Now how many binary, how many this A, B joints, how many joints are there? A, B, C, D. Acha. A is what joint? Binary joint or ternary joint? A. Binary joint. So 1 binary joints. How many binary joints? A is equal to 1 binary joint. Now B. I am coming to the B. B is how much? B is a binary joint. Is a ternary joint. A ternary joint is equal to, the B is the one ternary joint, equal to how many binary joints? 2. তাহলে B এর জায়গায় আমি 2 লিখব, দুটো binary joint. C তে আসবো. C is what? one binary 1 D D if you come to D তাহলে কটা হচ্ছে দুটো বাইনারি জয়েন্টস তাহলে কতগুলো বাইনারি জয়েন্টস হচ্ছে how many binary joints is there huh binary joint is 6 I have written that number of binary joints is equal to number of lower pair that means P1 lower pair মানে P1 তাহলে এখানে P1 কত হলো 6 এবার পুট করে ডিগ্রি অফ ফ্রিডম বার করো now we find out the degree of freedom minus আসছে minus 3 so degree of freedom is coming -3 so that's why this structure is called superstructures মানে এটাকে দিয়ে করলাম এটা তো অলরেডি এটা ছিল না so this connection was not there but it is strong it will not move but again I am putting another link that means ki again I become much more stronger so that's why degree of freedom is coming how much -3 so this type of structure is called not if the degree of freedom is 0 we call it a structure if the degree of freedom comes minus then it will call it superstructures clear superstructures okay very good so if you discuss that's why it become clear now